Alright guys, welcome back. Let's make a Spartan click pen. Let's open up the package and see what all the parts and the pieces are that comes in the kit. Well, that's everything, and very self-explanatory how it goes together. I just used the barrel to mark the pen blank. I leave about a 3/16 longer than the barrel. Just using some lines corner to corner to find the center of the pen blank so we can drill it out. This is how I drill out most of my pen blanks. I find it's quicker and easier than setting up a drill press. I'm just putting a pilot hole through here. I'm just using a 3/16 brad point drill bit to do it. The kit calls for a 3/8 inch drill bit, and that's too large of a bit to drill through these blanks without having a pilot hole. I use the tailstock to get everything lined up, and once it's all lined up, it's fairly easy to keep it straight all the way through the blank. Here's the 3/8 inch drill bit. You can see how large of a bit it is, but once you get it started, the drill bit pretty much follows the pilot hole right through without any trouble. Just roughing up the barrel hair with a 120 sandpaper just to help the CA glue stick better. Put on some thin CA glue, slide in the barrel. Make sure you have it right the first time. You don't have a lot of time for adjustment. Using a barrel trimmer to trim the ends to get them flush. I found it's the easiest way to do it, and this tool is pretty much a necessity if you're going to make pens. Alright, we'll mount it on the mandrel and we'll get turning, get it down to its shape. Just get everything lined up, making sure everything's free and clear so nothing jams when you actually turn the lathe on. Just a good safety tip here. I'm just using a roughing gouge just to get to the basic shape. Once I get it down to the shape I like, then I'll bring the skew out. And the skew is a lot easier to get it down to the bushings and smooth everything out. And then we'll give it a little burnishing here. I dry sanded the piece, started with 300 and went to 600. It really doesn't take a lot of sanding, about less than a minute for every grit size. After the dry sanding, I went with wet dry sandpaper at 800 grit, and this helps raise the grain, get all the dust out, and gets it ready to start with the mesh sandpaper. And I went up to 4,000 grit with the mesh. Alright, let's get ready to put some CA finish on this. I use these plastic bushings because the CA glue doesn't seem to stick to them. If you just use regular bushings, every once in a while you will glue the bushings to the pen blank. I just use a regular old paper towel, fold it up to put the CA finish on. I put about 9 coats on, and I use the accelerator in between every coat. To put a finish on the CA glue, I used the micro pads with water, and I went up to 12,000 grit. Then a little plastic polish and buffed it off with a paper towel. See here, assembling the pen's pretty easily. I just used this wood clamp. I never really felt that I needed to buy that pen assembly jig that's available. Okay, there's your pen, all built. Hope you liked the video.